Hello everyone, my name is Petro and in this video I'm going to be showing you a 71-piece bit set from Parkside. I bought this specific one from Lidl. I paid $11.99 for it, but you should be able to buy it with the online retailers such as eBay or Amazon. But Lidl of course will have the advantage of selling this cheaper compared to any other retailer out there. So what I'm going to do is show you the other box and then of course show you the contents in the box itself, which are on the other side. And then I'll show you some of the tools you can use the bits with from Parkside. But of course these ones are universal, so you should be able to use it with other tools that are non-Parkside tools. So let's get started. So this is the packaging it comes with in case you would like to buy it. There is information on the back, so I'm going to zoom in now. So you get smaller bits, you get bigger bits, and as I mentioned, you get 71 pieces. So let's zoom at the bottom. There's some information here if you wish to pause and read in different languages. But pretty much that's all the information on the back. Now on the other side, it shows the actual box that comes, the product comes with, and the bits, which you get the longer ones and the smaller ones. Now the way to open the box, you can use a knife or a scissor, or you can use scissors like I did, or you can use something sharp as a knife. What I did is I just cut around it, and you should be able to lift it up and just get the product out without damaging it. So there we are. This is the packaging. Nothing special about it. Just leave that on the side. And this is the product itself with the box. It's a very nice box, medium size, solid, very strong, feels premium. Definitely worth what you're paying for. So let's get a little closer. So you get the longer bits, which are at the top, and then they are color coded from what you can see, and also they have laser engraving, I believe. Let's see if the camera is able to zoom in that information. And there is some information on the actual bits themselves. So these are the ones you are getting on the top side, which are the longer ones, and then on the bottom, as you can see, I have different colors, and also they have signs indicating what they actually are. And here you get also two adapters. I'm not entirely sure of the actual name for it, but I call this a smart adapter, and the reason for that is because if I were to get let's say one of the longer bits and try to put it in there, just slide in there, it will lock in place, so it's not going to fall down. And the way to get it out of it is just to actually, with your right hand or left, whichever you're using, it's just to push back the black area here. Just push it back, and then just push out with your left hand the actual bit itself, and that's it pretty much. So you click it in, push back, and get it out. It's as simple as that. Probably there's a name for it, but I call it a smart adapter. And the other adapter here is just a normal adapter, but this specific one has a very strong magnet. I'm not entirely sure if the recording device is able to pick up the noise, but I'll show you now. It literally just grabs the bit itself like very strongly. And if I were to move it around, from what you can see, even using force, it doesn't seem to want to come out. So this one definitely has a very strong magnet in it. Now I'm going to show you some of the Parkside tools you can use with these bits. This specific one here, which is the cordless screwdriver with torque pre-selection, I'm going to make a video for this in the future. It's not compatible with these bits here, with a 71-bit set. And the reason for that is, as you can see here, the input here is larger than the actual bit itself. It will fit the bit in there, but it will wiggle around, and then the bit will fall. It won't actually sit in that place, unless there is an adapter, which I don't have, or I haven't seen so far. But I will definitely make a future video if there is one showing you. That would be a very interesting adapter to have for if you have this specific tool. So this one again, it's called cordless screwdriver with torque pre-selection, but it's not compatible with the bits here. Now, if you have a cordless screwdriver from Parkside, which is this one here, this is absolutely fine. It will fit the bits nicely, and it will be absolutely fine for this specific tool from Parkside, if you have that one. And the other one which it will fit is the cordless drill set, which is the normal, which is the smallest version of drills that the Parkside makes. Now with this one, either you can use the drill part and use the clockwise, the anti-clockwise to open it. You'll put the bit in there, again lock it again, and that will lock the bit in place, and then you should be able to use it absolutely fine. That would be the first option. The other option would be, because this specific one, if you press on the right side, if you pull on with your with your left hand, the red part here, it will open, and it has a bit set, which is like a screw bit set. I'm sorry, a screw adapter, I guess it's called. And then that one will fit these bits absolutely fine. And of course you can see it from the picture here as well. So this will fit. It will fit the big ones, and it will fit the small ones absolutely fine. If you have this specific one. So this one is the cordless drill set, which is the smallest version. This one will work absolutely fine, no issue at all. The cordless screwdriver will work with these bits absolutely fine, but the cordless screwdriver with torque pre-selection it won't be compatible unless you have some specific adapter which is bigger and smaller to use the specific one. So what you are getting is a 71 bit set from Parkside in a nice medium-sized box for $11.99, and that's it pretty much. It's as simple as that. Again, guys, thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, please put it on the comments below. Press the like button, subscribe to the channel for more content, and until next time, stay safe and take care.